Welcome to our channel, Cendric MathChat. So ngayong araw po ang ating katanungan na ating sasagutan ay what is x raised to negative 2 equal to? So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin kapag meron tayong negative exponent? Okay? So, para masagot po natin ang katanungang ito, ang ating gagawin ay gumamit ng mga numbers, yung mga friendly numbers, at tingnan po natin kung meron tayong makikitang patterns. Okay? So, example ko dito, meron akong 2 raised to the 4th power. Okay? And then 2 to the 3rd power, 2 to the 2nd power. Okay. Then, alam naman po natin, i-simplify natin ito. Okay. So, 2 to the 4th power, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. Ganun din po dito. Ang base natin is 2. So, meron po tayong 8. This one, it's the same thing. Ang base po natin is 2. This will give us 4. So, dito po, maging 2 lang siya, which is 2 dito. And kung napapansin po ninyo, merong pattern, di ba? Ito, yung exponent natin, nagdi-decrease siya, pababa ng 1. And then, dito naman, sa simplified value ng 2 raised to the 4th power, nagdi-decrease din siya. Merong pattern. So, from 16 down to 8, nag-decrease ng 1, pero naging 8 siya. Nag-decrease yung exponent ng 1 down to 4. Nag-decrease ng 1 down to 2. So, what do you think would be the next here? Okay? Tapos, dito naman, ano yung magiging next na sagot dito? 16 to 8, 4, 2. So, it's parang, oh, seems like, what's half of 16? It's 8. What's half of 8? It's 4. What's half of 4? It's 2. What's half of 2? 1. What's half of 1? It's 1/2. What's half of half? It's 1/4. So if I continue, what's half of 1/4? It's 1/8. Right? So magiging 2 kasi magdi-decrease yan ng 1. So 2 raised to negative 3. So it's may pattern nga. So parang eto is, oh, it's just the same thing as 1 dito. Eto naman, it's 1/2. So, parang yung base nito is 2. So, dito siya. And then this one, 1/4, in terms of half, is pretty much the same thing as 1/2 times 1/2, which is the same thing as 1/2 squared. Ganun din siya dito. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, which is the same thing as 1/2 to the 3rd power. Let me try another example nga kung parehong pattern yung kukuha ko dito. So, let's take a look at another example. So, let's have the base 3. So, 3 to the 3rd, then 3 squared, 3, then 3 raised to negative 1, okay, so dito is 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. This is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. This is just 3 is equal to 3. So, ano na namang napansin ninyo? So, it's 27 down to 9 down to 3. So, our base here is 3. Nag-decrease din siya ng 1. So, paano ko makukuha si 9 from 27? Paano ko makukuha si 3 from 9? So, parang 27, what's 1/3 of 27? Oh, it's 9. What's 1/3 of 9? It's 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot ng next, ano ang 1/3 ni 3? It's 1. Going down, continue the pattern. What's 1/3 ng 1? It's 1/3. What's 1/3 of 1/3? 1/3 of 1/3 is equal to 1/9. Then it's the same thing. What's 1/3 of 1/9? So I can write this as 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3, which can be written as 3 raised to the 3rd power, which is 1 all over 27. So from here, based on these two examples, balikan natin itong 2 raised to negative 1. Magiging 1/2 siya. 2 raised to negative 2, pwede ko rin siyang isulat na 1 over 2 squared and mawawala yung negative. 2 raised to negative 3, oh, it's the same thing as 1 over 2 raised to the 3rd power. Ganun din dun sa kabila. If I take a look at 3 raised to negative 1, oh, it's 1/3. 3 raised to negative 2, it's 1 over 3 squared. 3 raised to negative 3, it's 1, can be expressed as 1 over 3 cubed. Therefore, pwede na nating sabihin, pwede na tayong mag-conclude that x raised to negative 2 equals 1 over x squared. So maraming salamat po.